Hello everybody, today we are going to be playing Happy Wheels. It is very fun and I love Happy Wheels. It is very fun. I'm on the computer right now. It's so cool. And I just press out my head. And don't forget to subscribe and slap the bell and leave a like. And check out YouTube, his YouTube channel, Insane Potato. And look it up on Happy Wheels so you can play his games and die from everything. He's pretty good at actually making these levels. They're not laggy, and he's good. He's pretty good. For fun, and it's not laggy at all. Like, you're not being crushed to death. Also, some of the most satisfying ones is where your heart goes through everything and it lands on that hobo guy with ripped clothes, and I just freaking just ripped off my butt. I wonder what life would be without a butt. I lost too much blood. Do you know what I guys did? You're probably gonna believe this. I just recorded a full-on video, and I thought it was recording, but it wasn't. Can't believe that. This is insane. Hey, my thing is not fixed. Let's see if we can make it. Let's go. Oh yeah, my blood settings are on 2. I tried 4. It's too laggy. Tried 3. It was still laggy a little bit. Like, a lot of it, actually. And this one, 2, is actually just, like, pretty good. And it's not too laggy. Like, it lags sometimes, really, like, on those levels. But, like, this one, like, they don't lag. Oh my god, I'm not playing this one anymore. But don't forget to check out Insane Potato's channel. And mine. Well, you are already mine. So just subscribe. Or I'll find you. And I will kill you. No. Or will I? Is it? No, I won't. I'm serious. I won't. But, oh, this is my favorite throws. My game might be laggy right now. Yes. Oh yes, Insane Potato. Don't forget to check him out again. This is my 50,000 time telling you, but don't forget to check out Insane Potato's channel. Slaughter him face off. Jesus, I threw 50,000 swords at him. My game's lagging so bad. Wah! On guard! I got Tor! Throw! Die. Run. Let's see if I can destroy everybody with these 2 last katanas. Wah! 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 Oh! Wah! What am I supposed to do now? Let's see if I can get out. Pull! Batman! What if this guy was actually... I like that Fatman. Like, if you're the Fatman, like Santa Claus. The perverted Santa Claus. The perverted. Not perverted. He's farted. Kill him with all the knives. I don't know if we're going to have enough. What? He died? Oh my god, it went in his crotch. I don't think he's going to live after that. At all. Keep on dropping all the freaking swords. Okay. The game's lagging. Now let's go backwards. Happy birthday to you. Wow. Anticlimactic. Happy birthday to the girl. Oh my god, right in the face. Oh, come on. Oh, we missed one person. We could have got them all like a boss, but we didn't, because I'm not a boss. Sometimes I am, sometimes I'm not. Kill him. When you just want to see people die in this game, freaking play these. Just throw the freaking swords at them, or the freaking ones that I keep on saying. I just slaughter my face off. And what are you supposed to every time it dropped new swords, it just kill me. So that level kind of sucked. I forgot who it was. It wasn't him though. This guy makes pretty good. Those missed him. Those freaking missed him. If he doesn't fall, okay, there we go. Why am I hanging? Oh yeah, I'm pressing that button. Wah! What the? Take him out. Oh my gosh. Oh, he hit that one too. This is my combat sword. This is my PvP. Oh, Oh, take her out like a freaking boss. What? Hacks. It went in her. What? Okay, he's dead. He's dead. He's dead. He's dead. Yes, he is. Let's see if we can take out the hobo. Take him to the groove. Happy birthday to the. What? Yes! Kill him. This is my PvP combat sword. I can't reach. Okay, there we go. She's dead. Yes! Dab! If we can get 10 likes on this video, the next video, I will dab every time I win a game. Deal? Deal? Good. We hit 10 likes in this video. It's a lot of likes. My face cam is very laggy. Let's talk about the game now. Okay. Let's play. I like this sword. Yes, another sword throw. Let's save my guy. Doesn't pick the people for you. Oh, this guy's not by the same. This guy's. Oh! Slaughter! Jesus! Freaking Timmy's dead. And there goes all my swords. Freaking Timmy. I hate Timmy. Wait, dude, let's go destroy his mom. Okay. We're out of people. Our stuff. I love the people that are really close to you and just grab your freaking swords. Like, they should make an axe though. That'd actually be really cool. Die, Timmy. You are no longer my son. Take him out. Oh, I took both of them out with one sword. I did miss that one. Let's see if I can. Oh, what the flip? He's a hacker. It's a freaking fat hacker. Freaking fat Betty. I'm Betty. Not Batty. Let's see if I can pull myself out. 3, 2, 1. Pull! Pull, you piece of garbage. Whatever. Let's play again. How long has it been? That's not been a long time. I'm gonna play a long video. Let's throw this at young fat Betty. Ow, he stabbed me with the sword. I'm dead. That's karma for killing Timmy. Let's kill Timmy. Stab with 2 swords. He's dead. He's dead. Now, let go. I missed you, son. That's how he welcomes his son. I took out freaking old hobo guy and the freaking lady. Fall off, lady. There you go. I have 3 swords left. Let's see if I can take him out. Yes, take out that freaking hobo. No, I miss. But one freaking fat Betty. The fat ones are actually pretty easy to hit, I bet you. Kill Timmy. Kill the hobo. Oh, crap. I said, kill the hobo. How you kill her? Let's see if we can make a shot. Oh! Take him out. Oh, I gotta grab 1 sword. Oh! Oh, I got him. Yes, he fell. Freaking fat Betty. I don't have enough swords to do. Okay, let's kill Timmy with 3 freaking swords. So just waste them all. Stab him into that and then start a new one. This is fun. Hey, fun. Oh, crud. Freaking piece of garbage. Come on, kill her. I'm out of swords almost. Took out 2 of them. Take out Fat Man. If it kills me, it's gonna be hilarious. Cha. Whoa. I have 1 sword. Let's see if we can take out everybody. Whoa. Cha. She's dead. Target eliminated. Everybody else is gonna try to kill me now. Tell me where you want me to put the face cam next time, because I don't know if anybody likes this. Whoa. Kill Betty. Fat Betty. Fat hobo. Fat man. Fat man. What? He hacked. He just hacked. He just uses telekinesis powers. We gotta win this. For the viewers. For the viewers. Oh, we took out both of them. Let's do this. Fat Betty, you're my next target. All card. I'm gonna take out Fat Betty. Yeah. Take it, freaking fatty Betty. I don't like Fat Bellies. Bested Belly. Well, she's dead. Now that hobo guy is not dead yet. So let's play again. I'm just talking about the guys in the game, like people that in real life that have Betty. I think that's actually a pretty nice thing. But the people in the game suck. Like the people in the game are stupid. On. Yes. Gotta take out Betty. No! Freaking Betty! Kill. Slaughter him. Slaughter her too. Slaughter. Oh, slaughter myself. You just take them out. Half of my screen is touchscreen. Half of it's cracked. I don't know if you can see that. I don't think you can because kill everybody. Gotta make the shot. I'm gonna kill Betty this time. Freaking Betty! She's just. The fat people have the telekinesis power. The kid dies every single time. There's wasted 2 swords on him, so I'm just gonna restart that. Wonder if I can chop off his head. You freaking piece of garbage! I know you're my son, but you must die. Can't live anywhere without you. Can't live. Can't throw these freaking swords. Can't live or throw these freaking swords. Can't do it. Can't do it anymore. I can't waste all the freaking swords. Let me just grab one. There we go. Kill him. Stab him into all of them. Throw him at freaking mom. This girl right here is my wife. And she's gonna die. After I kill freaking his son. Son! You must never live ever again. Can't live anywhere without you. Can't live. Can't live anymore. Yeah, yeah. I just killed myself. What the flip is this? What the flip is this? Sorry, people. Sorry, viewers. Slaughter. No, he took all the swords out of them. Go full. Whoa, Jesus! I still have 2 hours. Not 2 hours. Take out Betty. Pogo fight. I love these two. Yes. Take out freaking Timmy. Whatever his name is. How's my mom? If you want to know. What?
Are you hungry?
I want some hot cocoa. Okay, let me continue with my game. That freaking sword. My mom, I love my mom. She's nice. She's a nice person. And I just slaughtered myself. Danger! Piece of freaking garbage. Piece of freaking garbage. I hate. There's this one. Timmy was the karate kid in one of these, and he like literally sucked. Like all he was doing this pose, and like I just knocked him down. I thought he'd like have a secret like ability, like I thought he'd just explode if I hit him. So I don't like him. I like slaughtering his face off. 1 like equals freaking dead. What's his name? 1 like equals dead Timmy. How about that? 1 like equals dead Timmy. And I've finished my homework. Gonna kill this guy. Yeah. Take him out. Don't fall on the sword. And I fell on the sword and it's up my crotch. And it looks so wrong right now. Take your freaking sword back, bro. I don't want your freaking sword. Now it's on my butt. Now it's in him. Now how am I gonna jump?